Agoraphobia. Introduction. People with agoraphobia worry about having panic attacks in certain places. Select true or false. Correct. Worrying about having a panic attack may increase your chance of having one. Which of the following are symptoms of agoraphobia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Avoiding certain places or situations. 2. Feeling like you are losing control. 3. Fear of spending time alone. 4. All of the above. Correct. Agoraphobia usually starts after you have a panic attack in a certain place or situation. Select true or false. Correct. You may try to avoid that place or situation to prevent further panic attacks. This can make your worrying worse and increase your chance of having a panic attack. Agoraphobia is usually treated with medication and therapy. Select true or false. Correct. Agoraphobia is usually treated with antidepressants, anti-anxiety medication, and cognitive behavioral therapy. Thank you for using Explain.